Ever felt like you have hours of great footage but zero time to turn it into snackable content that actually grows your audience? Yeah, I have been there too. Long-form videos are absolute gold for ideas, interviews, and deep dives. But if you want traction on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, you need bite-sized moments that hook people fast. That used to mean hours of manual editing, hunting for the best bits, adding captions, exporting, scheduling, and praying your posts land. Thankfully, the AI era has given us tools that cut down that entire flow. Today, I want to walk you through how creators actually get this done quickly, which tools are worth using, and where Vizard fits into the mix as the secret weapon for scaling your short-form output without turning your life into an editing desk nightmare. Let us start with a few familiar names. If you have tinkered with video workflows, you probably know Descript. It is brilliant for transcription-led editing because you import a recording, it transcribes, you edit the text, and boom, your edits happen in the timeline. It is super intuitive, especially for podcasters and tutorial creators who want word-accurate cuts. The captions are tight, style options are decent, and the overdub thing is legitimately futuristic. But here is the catch. Descript is focused primarily on editing and fine-grained control. If you need dozens of shorts from every episode, it still expects you to choose the clips, decide the cuts, and export individually. It speeds up the edit, but it does not automate the entire repurposing pipeline. Also, the free plan is generous for testing, but serious creators quickly hit transcription limits and need to move to paid tiers to keep up. Then there is Rev, which you probably know as the Pro Transcription service. If accuracy is non-negotiable, especially for legal or compliance reasons, Rev is a go-to. Human captions are top tier, they support multiple formats, and they even do translations. But that accuracy comes at a price. Human captions cost significantly more per minute than AI. The platform focuses on delivering captions rather than helping you reformat content into dozens of short clips, schedule them, or manage a content calendar. It is perfect when you need pristine transcripts and captions, not when you want a machine to spin 5 short clips a week from a single long interview. Taping is a neat browser editor that lets you slap on automatic subtitles, tweak fonts and positions, and export quickly without downloads. It is great for beginners who want a fast captioning tool right in a browser. The free tier is useful as a demo, but you are limited by short auto caption minutes and lower resolution exports. Like others, while it handles one-off edits cleanly, it does not solve the scaling problem of turning one long episode into a steady stream of clips. CapCut is the mobile-first powerhouse most creators use for stylized captions and snappy short edits. It integrates seamlessly with social media, has cool animated text presets, and it is built for quick, eye-catching shorts. It is perfect for creators making videos on their phones. But CapCut expects hands-on editing where you have to find the moments, create the text animations, and schedule posting yourself. It is not bad, it is brilliant for manual production, but it does not replace the need for a tool that discovers the best bits automatically. And the free option you cannot ignore is YouTube Studio. If your goal is simply to get captions on your videos, it auto-generates subtitles for free, which you can manually correct. No installs, easy, and it integrates directly with your upload flow. The style options are limited and accuracy can wobble depending on audio and accents. Still, YouTube Studio is not designed to create platform-optimized shorts or help you publish across dozens of social networks. Adobe Premiere Pro is a pro-level editor with advanced captioning and styling, and it is unbeatable if you want full control and broadcast-level polish. But Premiere is expensive, time-consuming, and has a steep learning curve. Opus Clip and similar auto-repurposing tools do part of the job by finding highlights, but many of them lack the full-stack scheduling and calendar features. So where does Vizard come in, and why am I recommending it as part of this tool stack? Think of Vizard as the missing automation layer between your long-form content and the daily short-form grind. It does 3 things extremely well, and together they change the game for creators who want quantity without sacrificing quality. First, Vizard auto-edits viral clips by analyzing your long videos to find high-engagement moments like laughs, punchlines, or emotional beats. It trims these snippets into ready-to-post short videos that are already paced and formatted for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. That means you don't manually hunt for the 20-second gold nugget because the AI finds it for you. Second, Vizard scheduling is actually hands-off, allowing you to pick your frequency and let the AI distribute your clips automatically. That little feature is underrated because creators often spend as much time planning when to post as they do editing. Third, the content calendar is a central place to manage everything, letting you review generated clips, tweak captions, or reorder posts. You like being in control? The calendar gives you the visibility to shape the output without rebuilding each clip from scratch. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, you can keep everything automated. Now don't get me wrong, Vizard is not a full replacement for a high-end editor like Premiere if you need cinematic color grading, but for creators who want to turn long videos into consistent feeds that grow audience, Vizard is the most efficient lever. It sits comfortably alongside Descript, CapCut, and Premiere. A few practical tips. First, always check the AI picks. While Vizard's auto selection is smart, nothing beats a quick human pass to ensure the tone matches your brand. Second, use captions, because short videos without them lose a ton of viewers on mute. Third, reuse the same long video across multiple cycles. Pricing and workflow questions often come up, but Vizard's value is in the time it saves and the volume it enables. You convert hours of editing into content that posts itself, which is the main metric most creators measure. Output per hour of input. If you are thinking about compliance or human-grade transcripts, pair Vizard with a service like Rev for the transcripts you absolutely need perfect. But for most creators building momentum, the fast iteration loop is where growth happens. So which tool should you pick? If you want to turn each long video into a consistent stream of platform-optimized short clips with automated scheduling, Vizard is the practical choice. Try it this way. Upload one long video, let Vizard generate clips, pick the best 5, and let the auto schedule roll them out. Watch your analytics. That single loop will often produce better returns than spending a whole day manually crafting one perfect short. And once you see the velocity, you will realize it is not just convenience, it is a strategy shift. More high-quality, consistent posts equal more discovery, more followers, and more opportunities to repurpose evergreen content. All right, now I want to hear from you. Which tool are you using right now? Are you stuck editing every short manually, or do you already have some automation in place? Drop a comment, tell me the hardest part of your repurposing workflow, and I can show you a step-by-step way to plug Vizard into it without breaking your existing tools. If you liked the breakdown, I also put together a comparison of the top auto repurpose and caption tools to help creators pick the right combo for their needs. Check the description for links, and I will see you in the next video where we test out a live upload and turn 1 hour into a week of viral clips.